Hi guys, this is a video of my entry video into Radzy76 and Chancer North Wales float planes and seaplanes group build. This is my entry, so without further ado I shall reveal what I'm going to build over the coming weeks, and here it is. It's a Matchbox Einkel HE115 1/72 scale oak kit. Bought it recently on YouTube, well a few weeks ago now, on eBay. After watching a few of you guys video builds of your Matchbox group build, went out and bought a couple myself. This one and a Dornier DO17 I think it was, also a Matchbox. So yeah, this is going to be my entry into the group build, so I'll just put it on pause and we'll have a look at what's in the kit. So here we are guys, here's the kit. Not a great detail there on the fuselage or the floats, to be honest. Very little indeed. 2 or 3 figures there. There's not much flash on it, which is pretty good. Some raised panel line detail here on the wings. Again, no flash, so that seems pretty good at the moment. Different colours as is usual with the Matchbox kits, from what I'm led to believe. Clear parts. Quite a bit of masking to do on that canopy. I hope somebody does a canopy set for them still. Good luck in finding that one, I think. Now, also, the decals, as you can imagine, quite old. So this is what I've got. I don't know how I'm going to deal with them. I'm quite new to this modelling. I've only been modelling about a year, well less than that really. I'm a bit scared to peel the paper off, to be honest, so if anybody's got any suggestions as to what I could do just to make those a bit easier to deal with, or any ideas where I can get some newer decals for those, then please leave a comment. So there we go, that's my entry for Radzy76 and Chancer North Wales Flying Seaplanes, Flying Boats group build. Thank you guys. Be starting this build tomorrow, and I'll keep you updated on my progress. Thanks guys, bye.